Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and thanks for tuning in to Goddess Beauty Rituals. I am here continuing on the series that I created to launch my channel. If you want more information about that, watch my first video where I talk about cleansing. And today I'm going on to the second step of a basic ritual, and that's going to be using a toner. Originally, toners were a liquid or water-based cleanser, and they were meant to help with the cleansing process by removing any residue left from a cleanser. Now, cleansers should be cleaning your skin. You shouldn't need to do that. If you do, there's things like micellar waters that are liquid cleansers that you can use to remove residue, but again, your cleanser should be taking care of that. Toners have kind of evolved. There are hydrating toners, and back in the day, toners were known to be astringent. Those still exist today. And there are toners that contain active ingredients, meaning that they're formulated with ingredients kind of like a serum. And also there's toners that are exfoliating. So I'm just going to talk about how toners can be customized based on your skin needs and an occasion why you would use that type of toner. So for dehydrated, dry skin, sensitive skin, you'll want to use a hydrating toner. You want to look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid. For sensitive skin, something that's calming and cooling, depending on how sensitive your skin is or the reason why your skin is sensitive. Exfoliating toners are going to be great for people with dull skin or that have texture. And exfoliating toners are awesome because they're going to be less harsh than a physical exfoliant, and it's something you can use with a cotton pad or just spray on. And what it's going to do is remove dead skin cells. So again, if you're feeling texture and you just want to smooth out your skin or kind of brighten your complexion, exfoliating toners are going to be the way to go. The next type of toner will be for oily, acne-prone skin. And there's toners that are mattifying and cooling or clarifying. For people who are acne prone and experience breakouts, astringents are still recommended by some estheticians just because it's going to help dry out the breakout, and also clarifying astringent kind of toners will help shorten the life of a breakout. I love them, I recommend them, and I think it's something very simple to add in, especially now that there's so many that have active ingredients, and I feel like it's a gentle way to incorporate ingredients into your skincare that are going to help improve your skin. And if you're wanting to be super minimal and not use something like a serum and you want to get started in a good skincare routine, using something like a toner is a really nice step to incorporate. I'm going to try to create an infographic again that I'll have on Instagram, kind of explaining and breaking down all of this information again. I just kind of wanted to go over the next step that I recommend in a basic ritual and why I would incorporate it. Again, it's not something that's totally necessary, but I think if used in the right way, you can see skin improvements. I have 2 more steps that I'm going to go through in this series, so I hope you like this video, subscribe, hit thumbs up, and stay tuned for the next one. Much love. Bye. I described how I use toners right now, but I figured I would show you. I just cleansed my skin for the evening, and my skin's sensitive, so I experience redness in this area. Sometimes it doesn't feel sensitive, sometimes it just looks really red for some reason, but I like to use calming stuff. I'm breaking out for some reason. I don't know if it's because I'm gonna get my period, who knows. There's a breakout here. So I just cleansed my skin. It's the evening, so I did a double cleanse. I did use an oil cleanser because I wanted to remove my makeup, and then I used kind of like a gel cleanser to wash my face. And so what I'm taking is the Skin Astringent from Glymed Plus. I'm taking the oh shoot, I don't want to use number 5 because that will be way too harsh for my skin. I have the number 2, which is basically 2% salicylic acid, and I'm applying it right to my breakouts because I want to shorten their life. I mean, this is like what old school astringent toners smell like and feel like. They're just super drying, so you want to be careful when you're using them. So I have a little mirror here. I'm just gonna apply it. Well, I'll hold this up here so I can show you, but basically I apply it right onto that breakout, and then I apply it where I have breakouts only, because I just want to kill that bacteria and shorten the life and suck up the oil if I have to. This one was ginormous when I had it. I don't know if this is grossing you out, I'm sorry, but we're a skincare channel and we're gonna talk about breakouts and stuff. But this one was huge and I got rid of it in 2 days because I shortened its life using an astringent. After I apply the astringent toner on my breakouts, I go in with a hydrating toner, like the Cucumber Hydration Toner from Skin Scripts. It is formulated with heavy water and hyaluronic acid. It's plumping and it's deeply moisturizing, and I just take it and spray it all over my face. The thought behind a hydration toner is it's hydrating, and if you're doing next steps like a serum or any other type of treatment, or even your moisturizer, it's meant to help it kind of seep into your skin that much better and make that product work that much better. I love using toners. I just feel like it's very refreshing to use after cleansing. So this is how I use them, and if you have any questions or want to know more information, again, I'm gonna have it on my Instagram laid out in a way that is an easy resource to follow, and I'll also have a slide of different product types or toner types. And thanks again for watching. I didn't know if I was going to add this, but I think I'm just gonna add an example at the end where I do kind of a live demonstration. So again, thank you for checking out my channel and have a great day. Much love.